guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I can't believe it's 2019 already. I feel like 2018 just flew by. Today I wanted to share with you some stuff that I picked up from the Coach store. I hadn't been in there in a very long time. I like Coach, but I'm not too much in love with their styles. I have way more of Michael Kors, but I decided to drop in there after we went to Michael Kors, and I picked some stuff in there because they had this new collection out that I hadn't seen before, and I have never seen anybody else have, and it looked really familiar to me. So let me go ahead and share with you what I picked up. They are in this bag, and I picked up this beautiful bag. It did remind me completely of this other bag that I'm fixing to show you. But let me see if you guys can kind of guess what it's like exactly trying to look like. I got this beautiful tote bag. It has the Coach logo all underneath. And then it has these really pretty like roses all over it. It's very colorful. I feel like it's a beautiful pop of color against that brown. And then it has right here like a really nice gold logo there. And this is the back of it. Doesn't have any feet. And the cool thing about this bag is that it is reversible. I don't think I'm ever going to use it on the reversible side. The interior is dark brown, and that is what it looks like in there. And it has that same little logo in there, and that's the interior of it. It also comes with a pouch, which I thought really tried to replicate like the bag that I'm thinking of. I'm trying not to use those words because I did walk out and buy all these pieces, but it looks exactly like what I'm thinking in my head. Okay, so it comes with this inside of it, and it just says I guess like they usually use this authenticity like little reminder and stuff like inside of all their bags. I do have this other bag by Coach, this one right here, which I have had for years and I absolutely love it. Oh yeah, they do usually put it in their bags because I have one here. This one's a little totally dirty, but it does have that here. And since this one is reversible, they couldn't put that on a little pocket flap or anything like that. So they went ahead and put it there. So it does say Coach, New York. This is a Coach bag. The story patch is our badge of authenticity. Few people may see it, but it will always be a reminder of our commitment to quality and craftsmanship. So I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't have anything on the other side, but it has that there. And this is nice. I don't know if I should use it, but it comes pouch. And I don't think it can be, yeah, it can be taken off the bag. It was really funny because my mom and I walk in there and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks like the Louis Vuitton Never Full by Steven Sprouse. And I was like, and I have that bag. So this is exactly what I thought it was. Whenever I walked in, I was like, they're totally trying to kind of, you know, like copy the same thing. And it's literally like the same size. It's like the same size. And see, it has flowers all over it. And I just completely thought that it was the exact same. They just tried to change this one a little bit, and they did like the reversible thing. But when I saw this, I mean, the logo, the flowers, it just completely looks almost identical to what they tried to do here. So I thought that was a little funny. So that's what I thought whenever I got that tote. And then I started looking. They had wallets. They had smaller wallets. They had card cases. They had everything, like everything for this collection. And there was two other pieces that I picked up from it. This was or is what I'm going to be using as the wallet for this purse, for this tote bag. And they had the longer wallet, they had a shorter wallet, and then they had this one. And I really like this one because it's a wristlet. The other ones weren't wristlets. And then I liked that, look, you can put some cards in here and definitely throw some cash in there. And you can use it as a little wristlet wallet. And I love that you can just kind of throw it there if you want to like run into Walmart or anything. I really like that. So I'm going to be using this as the wallet for this bag. And it's really cute. And then I'm walking towards the other side of the store and I saw this and I was like, oh, that totally looks like the pochette. Like, it just looks exactly like it. So I ran into this little guy and I was like, oh my gosh, like, they're not just trying to like kind of make it look like the Louis Vuitton stuff. Like, it's literally like they're copying it. But I mean, I don't know. I thought it was really cute. I mean, it's kind of crazy that they literally copied like all of the detail. Like this, it has like that, and I don't know if you can, no, I don't think you can see. Let me see. But on here, it has like Coach engraved right there. And then it has this really nice, it feels really, really nice and sturdy chain. It has that same gold hardware. It looks just like this. I just can't. It's beautiful, but it just looks so much like the pochette, the Louis Vuitton pochette. So it has this little pocket here, and then these ones have 2 little card slots. There we go. And you can see that there. And I thought that was super cute. A little weird, but I guess I can't be mad at it because I bought it. But I really, really, really like this one. And I just kept looking at it and see it could be used as like a wristlet as well. And it's just super cute. But just everything, every concept of like everything that they had, it looked exactly like identical to the Louis Vuitton. So that is that. And the wristlet. And then of course the, let me see, let me go ahead and, there we go. Okay. And then there's the wrist, the little pouch that comes in there. You can easily just take that off if you don't want to have it in there. I guess I could use it for maybe some receipts or something, but I don't think I'm going to use this inside of the tote. But I just definitely had to get that because it, you know, it looks exactly like it. And then the wristlet, and that is what it looks like. I really like it. That is everything that I got from Coach. I thought it was super funny and nice to share with you guys. Please let me know if you have seen this collection in your Coach stores. I tried to look them up to add it to the description, and I couldn't find it for some reason, but I'm going to be looking more and add it to the description if I find everything that I found in store. So yes, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you are not already, and we will see you in my next one. I am definitely going to, I've been trying to arrange how I'm going to show everything that I got for Christmas. I've never done that. It's going to be my first year showing what I got for Christmas 2018. And I am still trying to figure out how I'm going to film that. So now that this is over, I can say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.